Hey guys, today I just wanted to show you a new feature that we've got here on PBN Lab. It's called Single Site Crawl. It's quite a clever name, I think you'll agree. And the significance of this is that we can now just target a single authority site or a web directory in the niche that you're targeting and just crawl that entire site and bring back all the expired domains that they link out to. It's the perfect way to find domains that are relevant to your niche. It couldn't be any easier. All we need to do is simply throw in the website address. We pick on poor old Pat Flynn here as an example. Throw in smartpassiveincome.com. Make sure that you actually put in the full site URL. Actually, it's best to copy and paste the URL from the actual homepage. That way you can't get it wrong. We go ahead and detect the host name. This is the host that the crawler will stick to. It will not crawl outside of that site, but it will index every single URL and domain that is linked to from that site. Add that job to the queue, and now check out as it runs on the dashboard. We'll let this finish crawling, and then we'll check out the results. The crawl coming to a close there. We've actually got it running at about half speed to prevent web servers rejecting the connection, even though we're going via private proxies. All the same, hammering one site that hard is likely to start causing connection rejections. You can see there we've crawled 1,740 pages, or a few more as it comes to a finish, in about 5 minutes. And here you can see that we've indexed over 27,000 URLs. And from that we're going to find plenty of domains. It basically means that the Smart Passive Income site is doing a lot of linking, a lot of outbound linking too, most importantly. Alright, so the crawl completed. I actually missed it finishing on the dashboard, but here under the crawl jobs we can see the job completed. 308 domains found on smartpassiveincome.com. And because I've run this crawl previously, before today, it's actually flagging all these as duplicates to indicate that I've already found them on a previous crawl. But as you can see there, plenty of domains with a decent DA and PA. But to put this into something more tangible, one of the niche sites that I've got is related to the airline industry. So I did a quick Google search for airline industry directory. So to put this into some real world perspective, one of my niche sites is related to the airline industry. So I just looked for a web directory for the airline industry, had a bit of a look through some of the top links here on Google and found a site called 30,000feet.com. They do a lot of linking out to other websites related to the airline industry. I threw this URL, basically just threw one single URL into the crawler, and it came back with 629 domains, all related very closely to the airline industry. So if you can put that into use in the industry that you're working in, you're nearly, I wouldn't say that you're guaranteed a win, but you're one step closer, that's for sure. Now this is only available on plans Terra and above. If you're on a mega plan, unfortunately, this is not available to you. This is one good reason why you need to be on a slightly higher plan and get access to some of these new features that I'm releasing. So just have a bit of a think about that and how you would actually apply that technique to any domains that you're looking for. You basically just need to find or enter the URL of a single authority site or directory related to the niche you're working in, and you can basically just get relevant domains on demand. Check the notes on the website as far as what limitations are in place at the moment in regard to single site crawls. It's still a new feature, so I've got a bit of work to do there to make it work even better. It's not capable of crawling the entirety of Wikipedia, for example. I gave that a crack and returned about 3,000 domains, but we didn't even come close to actually touching the sides there on a site that big. If you've got any questions, make sure you get in touch. Thanks guys. See ya.